to Rubaani and Angad's world.
Come along, come and play. Happy friends are here today. Rubaani, Angad, Amber too.
catch
There's
it.
a fun adventure waiting for you.
Look, it's a cow.
Moo moo, the friendly cow. Come
Hello,
meet all my
friends.
friends
Would
right
you like to
now.
meet my
Walking
animal
through the
friends?
meadow green, the
Yes.
happiest
Let's go.
place we've ever seen. Quack quack, splash splash splash.
Look,
Little duck
it's a
makes
duck.
quite a dash, swimming softly in the pond. Come and sing and play along.
Come on, let's meet another
Fluffy
friend.
sheep,
Let's go.
little lambs are soft and sweet. Hop, hop, jump with glee, happy as can never be. Woof, woof, who's that there? Fluffy puppy says, hello there. Tail goes wag, wag, wag all day, making brand new friends to play. Meow, meow, tiny kitty, so adorable and pretty. Gentle paws and happy eyes. Friendship is the greatest prize. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Every friend we love to meet. Sing along, laugh all day. Learning as we laugh and play. Rubaani, Angad, Amber too. Bruno, Mimi, Tota flew. Gajju waves his trunk so high, everyone says hi, hi, hi. Thanks for watching, thanks for playing. We had fun with you.